23rd question. Two isolated point particles of mass 4m and 9m. What is isolated? Isolated means what? No other gravity is present over here. Okay, only these two masses. They are in space. 4m and 9m are separated by a distance 1 meter. This is 1 meter. 1 meter. And this is distance x. A point particle of mass capital M is placed at distance x from the particle of mass 9m. The net gravitational force on 9m, m is 0. Here m is now net gravitational force 0. What does it mean? That means this m, okay, is being pulled by 9m like this. This is also being pulled by 9m by 4m like this, such that this force F1 and F2 are equal and opposite. Okay, so net force acting on is 0. What is the value of x? Okay, what do we know? So I already said to you that F1 is equal to F2, right? What is F1 now? You can write Gm into 9m divided by x square, right? Gm1 m2 by x square. And what is for this one F2 here? It should be G into 4m into m divided by 1 minus x the whole square, right? So therefore, now what all can we cancel? G, m goes away. G, m goes away. So what I left out with 9 by x square is equal to 4 by 1 minus x the whole square. Take the square root on both the sides. When you do that, what do you get over here? You get this as 3 by x is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus x, right? Cross multiply this, which will become 3 into 1 minus x is equal to 2x. 3 minus 3x is equal to 2x. This 3x is sent to that side. This becomes 3 is equal to 5x. And thus, you have x is equal to 3 by 5. So, answer is 3 by 5 meters. Okay, let us move on to the next question.